the crowbar, give it a good pull. Alright, sweep that up. Move this being nice.
Keep it steady there. The one on the far right. Watch your head.
I've got this glass.
Mind the hinges. Go on, pull it now. Needs to go out. Make sure we cover every damp spot. That's what I'm... Hold that steady. Hold this steady for me.
Got it?